In today's episode, we will learn how to talk about daily habits in English. Daily habits are things you do again and again every day. For example, waking up early, drinking coffee, going to work, or exercising. Talking about daily habits helps you describe your daily life. Today, we will practice simple English, slow English, clear English. Please relax, listen carefully, and repeat with me if you want. Let's begin. Part 1. What are daily habits? Daily habits are routines. They are actions you repeat every day. For example, I wake up early. I drink tea every morning. I read before sleeping. These are daily habits. Part 2. Talking about morning habits. Morning habits start your day. You can say, I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I drink coffee. For example, I wake up early every day. Or, I drink coffee in the morning. Part 3. Talking about healthy habits. Healthy habits help your body. You can say, I exercise every day. I drink a lot of water. I eat healthy food. For example, I go for a walk every morning. Part 4. Talking about work habits. Work habits are things you do at work. You can say, I check my emails. I start work at 9. I take a short break. For example, I check my emails every morning. Part 5. Talking about study habits. Students also have habits. You can say, I study every evening. I read books. I practice English daily. For example, I practice English every day. Part 6. Talking about evening habits. Evening habits help you relax. You can say, I watch TV. I read a book. I talk with my family. For example, I relax after work. Part 7. Talking about night habits. Night habits happen before sleep. You can say, I brush my teeth. I check my phone. I go to bed early. For example, I go to bed at 10. Part 8. Asking about someone's habits. You can ask, what do you do every day? Do you exercise daily? Do you read books? For example, do you drink coffee every morning? Part 9. Talking about good habits. Good habits are positive actions. You can say, I wake up early. I eat healthy food. I read books. For example, reading is a good habit. Part 10. Talking about bad habits. Sometimes people talk about bad habits. You can say, I sleep late. I watch too much TV. I eat too much sugar. For example, I sleep late, sometimes. Part 11. Simple Habit Conversation. Person 1. What do you do every morning? Person 2. I drink coffee and read the news. Person 1. That sounds nice. Part 12. Useful daily habit phrases. Here are some useful phrases. Every day, every morning, every evening. For example, I walk every morning. Part 13. Daily life examples. At home, I clean the house. At work, I check emails. In the evening, I relax. Part 14. Gentle encouragement. Talking about habits is simple. You do not need perfect English. Short sentences are enough. Daily habits are part of your life. Talking about them helps you practice English. It is okay to say, I wake up early. I exercise every day. I read books. These sentences are simple and natural. Now you know how to talk about daily habits in English. Practice these sentences slowly. Use them in daily conversations. Listen again if you need to. In the next episode, we will learn how to talk about your goals in English. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing. You are doing great.